No, don't open that. That is for the trip.
C'est quoi ça?
Yes, yes.
Guys, hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's noisy because I'm on the road. I'm in these streets. How are you guys doing? It's that time of the day where I am heading to the supermarket, and believe me when I tell you, it's the last supermarket shopping before vacation, which is fast approaching, which means if I say that, I mean we're going on vacation soon. So since it's the last supermarket shopping before vacation and I don't want to leave anything to spoil in the house, I'm not buying too much today. So still heading to supermarket though to get some things because we still have quite a few days to go before vacation, and also need some things that I need to carry with me, like specific snack for the kids for the plane and stuff like that. So that's where I'm heading right now. So if you're new here, please consider clicking the button down below, the red button of course that is written subscribe. I would appreciate that. My kids are at school, my husband will pick them up, and then everybody will come and get me at the supermarket. So stick and stay, and I'll see you guys either at the supermarket or when the fam bam come and get me. So we'll see. But anyway, enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Hopefully you guys are doing well. As you guys can see, I'm cold. Still cold here. February, love-hate relationship with it. Don't like it, but I love it. Anyway, if you're cold, stay warm. If you're hot, stay cool. Love you guys. I'll see you soon. Let me put up my camera before I get hit in these streets.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Alright, it's time for the supermarket haul.
It's time for the supermarket
Wait, Tyler, on a serious note, we have to have respect for our neighbors. That's very loud for our neighbors. That's way too loud. And I'm very serious.
How they can hear and our doors closed?
They can't hear. It is too loud. We can't see the supermarket hall, but out of respect, that is way too loud.
Okay.
Okay?
Right.
Oh, Shadi, and babe make them do it twice. Jesus Christ.
Why?
Can you understand that we're just getting in? I don't think you take out my jacket.
Look at the big bone.
You have the money? Yo, how much money is it? How much money? One? Alright. Let's discover what's my
Nobody has to.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. See Sarah's still in her uniform. Let's go. Sarah, what's that? So why are you doing Taliban?
Wow.
Your eyes red. Why your eye red? You get it in your eye at school today?
Sarah, what is that?
Nana was on sale, so Mama buy 2 packs.
Nana for killer. Yes.
Kilot is underwear in French.
I want some popcorn.
So, just to let you know, you see 2 different types of popcorn. The salty one that we normally put in the microwave was not there, so I buy the sugar one to put in the microwave. So you have 2 packs of salty one and a big pack of
What is that, Sarah? Banana, banana,
I don't feel like taking off my
banana.
jacket. Sarah, is it popcorn? Alright, let's go.
Lemon for the lemon and honey.
And-
or for the green juice.
Voila.
I bought extra snack. I bought snack for us to take on the trip with us. And I bought snack to leave in the house so that when we come back,
After
there's
can I
snack.
have a bit of popcorn?
I'll think about it.
Pocket for the movie.
Yes, for the movie. There we go.
Yes, exactly for the movie, not for now.
Apple.
Orange juice.
There was no happy biscuit, sorry, so I had to take this one.
What is that, Sarah?
A big biscuit.
Sarah, what's this?
What is
Look.
this?
It's hair of Mama. Says Mama here.
Sarah, what's this? Rice. How you know it's rice? It's for you. What's that
What
one?
is it?
Okay, so also for Tyler, I bought 2 different type of toothpaste because your original toothpaste is not there. So I bought 2 just to see which one you might like. You can give it to her, Ty. So I buy that one and another one.
Tomato
This one strawberry
sauce.
taste. And I'm also bought a new one for Sarah too. That one is for you too. It's toothpaste to brush your teeth to make them.
Nice.
To make them what color? What color should your teeth be?
Mama, microwave.
Why?
Microwave.
Not microwave, it's oven.
It's open. Juice.
Sarah?
Avocado. I only buy 1 pack because I don't want them to leave and spoil in the fridge.
Bubble gum.
Yes, that's a new one I bought for Sarah because Sarah's original one is not there.
It's
Bubble
like
gum is pink.
milk.
Oh, but what a chicken. I can see
That's for Sarah.
3 pack of chicken.
I eat chicken more than any other thing in this house.
Oh, here's your snack. You're starting the snack.
Comfort.
Yeah, we're probably gonna have to go back to
Rano.
I told you about.
Mini cookie.
Looking Tyler pack.
Mini cookie.
Very good Ty. Look, see Tyler bag of double everything.
2 water. Current
Rice
water.
cake.
Rice cake 2, cookie 2,
Raspberry
and
2.
juice a lot because I have some to carry.
Raspberry 2.
And for the kids to go to school.
Raspberry 2.
Good job. More juice and more juice. A lot of-
Prince.
Yes, I bought you some prints because I didn't see the granola and I didn't see the happy district. So I know you'll be happy.
Donuts.
And I bought Sarah a big box of donuts instead of a small box.
What is that?
Thank you.
No, don't open that. That is for the trip.
C'est quoi ça?
Yes, yes. That is for to carry in the bag. So when you're on the plane and you're hungry, you can have snack.
Mama.
Yes.
Where's the movie tomorrow?
2
Can
cheese.
we have candy because of the
Candy? No.
also
there is
because
too much
of
candy.
the cinema with
Caramel.
and then they had popcorn and candy and
Yes,
juice.
I'll think about that and
It was
I
a
just
birthday,
said
that's
no. So
why.
no means what?
No.
Okay, so don't tell me.
We have
what you mean
salmon. She
somebody-
find back the wild salmon.
Well, the expensive ones were still there, but
Mama.
yes. No, this one is for the airplane.
Oh
See
la
that
la.
I don't used to see? Oh, you take a mini quiche, Lauren?
Mhm.
Ah, cool.
Oh shoot, it's the pan dirty. I made chicken for lunch today.
Cereal bars.
Oh, but it was for dinner.
No, I want to show this.
Tyler and Sarah loved this from last week. Continue guys, I'm just taking out the
More.
chicken.
We're watching and Tyler is so slow, it looks like an escargot.
Honey, can you come and take the container for
Lily.
me? Tyler is in his snack bag. You sure them correct time?
Yes.
I
Cookie.
must say this cookie is not for Sarah and Tyler. It's for?
Everybody.
It's for?
Everybody.
No. Who
Everyone.
eat it the most?
Me.
Trust me, this boy take it for breakfast 2 or 3 in a row.
Yes.
And I open the bag and I say, but I need at least to eat 1. So,
Oh, you get it. I was just about to blame him.
I always do, but I get used to it.
Hot chocolate.
Stop screaming.
Mama.
Chocolate for Sarah.
Danger zone. Danger zone.
Wait.
Dangerous.
Wait.
I'm gonna have to wait and chill.
Wait.
So she
Sarah,
can
you
put
ready
the
to
stuff-
play rock, paper, scissors?
Yes.
You can put
Yes.
the stuff in the oven first.
Not the oven, not yet. What I have to go in the oven?
What is it you put in the oven? You have
That and quiche.
that and the quiche.
Yeah.
This is the microwave.
No, that's going to microwave, not oven time. We eat those while we wait on the others. Calm tight. You guys are trying to prepare dinner at the same time, and then you guys know that the rock, paper, scissors is a must. So that's gonna happen, but I made some chicken today for lunch and the pan is dirty.
Mama,
Yes, darling.
today I had do rock, paper, scissors with my friend, and it was 3-0 for me.
You did 3?
Yes.
And you did 0?
Yes.
So you practice at school.
Yes.
So that means you're gonna win now.
Yes.
Alright.
Yes.
Woo!
Wow, it's a good start.
Somebody's about to lose rock, paper, scissors right about now.
Right about now.
Why is this man shouting like that? Can you open the things, please, so I can at least put them on the pan? So of course, you guys know on Friday I don't. What are you following? I don't normally cook dinner on a Friday. On the weekend, I hate cooking on a Saturday too. But on a Friday is definitely a no cook zone. So we normally do samosas, beef and chicken. And I love quiche every now and then. And I found the mini ones for the first time. I saw the mini ones. I thought, okay, let me pick
Remember
it
that
up.
quiche is one of the first things that you got?
Yeah.
And you came here, went to the restaurant, so you got the quiche. And
Is it? I remember I had it though.
What happened? I got the turn and put some eggs inside it. It's a strawberry.
all of them.
No, you're crazy.
I was about to say they look
Put them in a
big.
Ziploc bag. So this is what dinner is gonna be today. We have quiche here with sausage inside, and then we have these.
No, I can put it back the way.
Back up, let me put this
I
in.
got done. No!
Stop shouting, Tyler. Leave her. How much minutes on it says?
20.
Yeah, so 25. Alright. Ready? Hey, hold on. Ready for rock, paper, scissors?
na.
Sarah, ready?
Yes!
Alright. Choke on and Tyler clap you. That's okay. So why all the way out here, so? Come, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
It's my turn.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! One,
It's
Papa.
my turn to
Come.
do it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Two, Papa. Oh
It's
my.
my turn.
Yes, Sarah, it's your turn. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Papa kick him butt flawlessly.
You me.
Papa kick your butt and you want me kick. You want me kick your
No,
butt?
I want me to keep the boots.
You want you to kick my butt?
Yes.
Come let me kick him butt and send him to him room. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What's her?
Don't even know what is that. You don't
That's your count. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One mama. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler.
Oh, he gets 1 point. He gets 1 point finally. Yeah!
Look at the man with his say too loud. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two. If you get this, you win. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two, mama. Anybody win this way? Anybody win this way? Anybody win this way? No name on that, no, boy. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
She got you every time with the same one.
Well, somebody's a sore loser tonight. You gone?
He's
He
ashamed.
gone.
He's ashamed.
What you doing? Don't put that in your mouth. Tyler lost. Tyler lost twice. Take your losing like a champ, child.
Where's the bag?
He's gone. I don't know where he's gone. He's gone to practice.
He's going to cry.
That is, it's my turn.
It's your turn. Okay, come.
No.
Tyler, come play with Sarah.
I'm gonna do it. This time I'm gonna
Tyler gonna play with Sarah?
Yes.
Okay. Come, Sarah, beat him. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I don't know.
Let's do it.
Come, Sarah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. She did the same thing as you. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Hey.
Sarah, look at Mama do what Mama do, okay? Come. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes! Tie, Sarah, cut him. 1, 2, Sarah. 1. Alright, come. No! Hey, girl. Come again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yes.
Cut. What she did?
She got.
She cut. Come, Sarah, one more. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. She cut you again. Come again, one more.
2-1.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yes.
Come again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Now.
She did the same. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah, she did.
What you do? Come. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah.
That win. Watch her fling. She want fling up the things then.
Papa, Ade. Mommy.
Shh. Hey, my family load still, you know? We not load bad.
Everybody win one except Sarah. Everybody
You
win
want,
one.
you want to see your little fingers going like this? You do rock, paper, scissors with tie.
Yes.
Who win?
And Mama,
You want
instead
to
of
put on
doing
pajama?
this, Fibs,
Okay.
instead of doing this, Sarah does this.
Moving
Sarah,
like
instead
tomorrow.
of doing this, she does this. Instead
Anyway,
of doing this,
go take off your tabby. I am going to pack away these things, eat dinner, and I'll see you guys at some point. Deuces. Tickle him, Sarah, tickle him! Get him, Sarah, tickle him, Sarah, tickle him! Watch her head! Watch her head! Get.
look at the house.
Let she tickle you. Tickle tie, Sarah, tickle tie. Go tickle tie.
Hi.
Go, get him, Sarah, tickle him. Gilly,